Hi friends, I am very happy that my video is being viewed widely and I am quite excited with it, and today I want to convey a message, and my opinion is that in modern era the vitality, the importance, sanctity of economics and statistics and science, or you can say that also professional ethics, should be protected at any cost, especially in this regime. Because science, economics and other subjects have its own principles. It comes after thousands of years of research. If we talk about economics, it has its own break-even point, Philip curve. They have to analyze the market before taking any kind of actions. They know where is the break-even point, which actions should be taken at which time, is it could be worse or beneficial. They know about it. They have statistics. It is meaningful data based upon some algorithms, and this is designed for their own convenience. They research upon it. They know about that which action should be taken. So expertise are made for that. Their professional ethics should be protected at any cost. Today we see that even economists used to fear to take bold actions. Even then they know they have better data, but they don't want to mess up with the economy of our country because they are well educated. They know that a minor mistake may cause a bigger drastic change in our economy. Even RBI, we know that RBI used to monitor monetary policy. Before it was coming half yearly, thereafter quarterly for many years, and now it is bi-monthly or monthly review. But they don't take bold action. Or when we were looking that it was quarterly, only one quarter or two quarter in a year they were changing slightly in SLR or CRR or in repo rate or reverse repo rate, very slightly changed. They were not taking any kind of bold actions. Why? They were knowing that they cannot take bigger actions. They cannot take because they have to agree with the principles of economics. They were researching, they were agreeing with the statistics. But in this regime we are looking that without any kind of financial crisis or economic emergency, the government is taking such a kind of bold action, or I will say insane action, because they are not taking any kind of consent with these expertise which are morally, ethically designed for these kind of actions, and they are not taking their consent. So I think that there should be a legal bounding upon those peoples in power who have no expertise in this field to take such a bold action. Either they should present this kind of action if there is no financial crisis in parliament, or they have to take consent with the expertise. Thereafter this should be approved. I just want to say that, because if we don't need any kind of economists, scientists, doctors, engineers, then what is the need of science and ethics? In this modern era, these peoples who have no expertise, they can take all kind of actions. They can take decisions of our economic future. I think that there should be a legal boundary upon it. I want to give you a real life example, a short example also. I have an account in a bank. I visited that bank some days ago and I met with the manager. There were many people in line and I requested him that please issue me an ATM card, and he told me that you have to submit PAN card before taking any kind of ATM card. Even RuPay card, if you want to receive, you have to submit your PAN card in your account. And there were many old people also. They have the same need, and the manager replied the same to them, that this is mandatory now in account. Just want to remind that we have officially approved many kinds of address proof and ID proof, in which their Aadhaar card, voter card, passport, ration card and PAN card. So why we should insist upon poor people that you have to submit your PAN card for your basic needs, for your daily transactions. If we cannot issue them ATMs, then their rights are being held. PAN card submission is for the government need to ascertain the income of the peoples, but for ascertaining the income of peoples, we cannot state their own basic needs. We cannot hold their ATM cards. So you should adapt another kind of way to ascertain their business transaction. Maybe first they should be provided with an ATM card, RuPay card, and if they are transacting more, this is moral responsibility of government to ascertain the transactions. This is not their responsibility. First, for their own basic needs, they have to give PAN card. So if you understand my point, I just want to say that these kind of rights are being held due to some unethical rules. So I want to say that before implementing any kind of rule, there are expertise. Please try to take consent with them, and I urge the north of this India that please try to make them understand. If any government is giving you any kind of mandate, try to show them that these are the points you have to consider, sir. The executives of our country, they have to represent that where the basic needs, where the rights of the people are being held, they should be protected at any cost. This is my message for you people. Thank you for watching it.